Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you've probably seen from the title, it's that time of the month again. Yes. It is time for a brand new Madam Glam collection again. So, this is November's Chapter 11 collection. It is called Family and Friends, which is inspired by the American sitcom Friends. And it is made up of 10 gorgeous, creamy, opaque nudes and browns. So I've got 5 in my parcel. So I'll stick a picture in the top left-hand corner of the screen, guys, of the colours in this collection. You'll also see in the top right-hand corner of the screen is my discount code. So to use my discount code, head over to my description box. You'll find my link to Madam Glam's website. And then at the checkout, enter GG30. And that way you'll save 30% off. So the colours I've got from this collection are Smelly Cat, Naked Guy, Food Coma, We Were on a Break, and Oops, I Burnt It. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but for those of you that haven't seen any Madam Glam videos before, Madam Glam gel polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free, and henna free. So they are pretty much good for anybody to use. So let's take a proper look at these, shall we? I think today I'm going to very quickly swatch these. Give them a quick swatch. And then I'm going to, using some of these colours, I'm going to do a design on my nails. So, to start with, let's get them swatched, shall we? First one is Smelly Cat. Ooh, look how creamy these are, guys. They're lovely. Beautiful colour. Love that. Food Coma. Ooh, that's going to make a gorgeous nail bed colour. Naked Guy. Beautiful colour. We Were on a Break. Wow, guys, look at that for a dark brown. Look at that coverage. Wow. That smells like chocolate. That does actually smell a bit like chocolate. Or it's just my head. Maybe it's my head, but no. It does have a bit of a chocolate smell. I'm not going to lie. Wow, love it. Look at that, guys. For a dark brown. That is amazing coverage. And last but not least is Oops, I Burnt It. Again, for a dark colour, look at that for one coat, guys. Wow. Right, now we are on to doing my nails. So, first is going to be We Were On a Break. And that's going to be full cover on the middle nail. Always remember to cap the free edge as well, guys, or else it's just going to flake off after a couple of days. Next up is Food Coma. And on the thumb, oops, I burnt it. And then on these two nails, we're going to be applying Smelly Cat. So I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds. I'm going to do 2 coats of these, guys, but I shall do the second coat off camera just to save time. So now I'm giving all 5 nails a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat and cured them for 30 seconds. Now I'm taking Naked Guy and We Were On a Break, and I'm going to pop a little bit of them on my palette. Now I've got my liner brush, and I'm going to do 3 lines going down with the Naked Guy, and then 3 lines going across. Now I'm just dipping the end of my brush in We Were On a Break, and I'm just going to pop a little drop where them crosses meet. I'm just adding a little bit at a time. You'll see here, I've just put a tiny little blob on, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. and then I shall cure them for 30 seconds. This is Madam Glam's white gel paint, my favourite gel paint. This is so opaque and really nice to work with. I'm just going to do a super thin line going up and one thin line going across, and then I'm going to do the exact same on the ring finger. Once I'm happy with them lines, I shall pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going in with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat again, and I'm just going to apply a coat of that on the ring finger and the index finger, just to seal in all that artwork, and then that'll be them all done. So there we are, guys, that is them all done. What do you think? I'm just going to pop a little bit of cuticle oil on because my fingers need it really bad at the minute. They're so dry. There we go. Look at them. Cute little Plaid print. I am loving these gel polishes. A lot of you guys probably already know that I am a massive fan of nude gel polishes. Not such a fan of browns, but they are handy to have in the collection because there is times where you are going to need them. So, yeah, I don't mind them. I don't mind them, you know. I don't mind them. So there we are, guys. That is the new Chapter 11 November collection called Friends and Family. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you'll find the link to Madam Glam's website in my description box below. So if you want to head over and check the website out, you can do. If you decide to make a purchase, don't forget to save yourself 30% off using my discount code GG30. And these gel polishes are top quality. You know, the minute you start applying them, you can feel the difference. They are just, yeah, I just can't fault them, and I'm really enjoying using them. Why can I not get that to stay there? I've also finished these ones off with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat, which is my all-time favourite top coat. A lot of you guys know I do love my matte nails. I am a matte nail girl. And this matte top coat is just to die for. It's the mattest matte I've ever used. But a lot of the really matte top coats have got like a rubbery feel. This hasn't got that at all. It's just really nice, smooth, soft texture. I love it. So there we are, guys. I really hope you like them. I really hope you like the collection. And that is them all swatched. And they've all had a coat of the Madam Glam shiny top coat on the top half, matte top coat on the bottom half. Look at them colours, guys. They're just, oh, they're so creamy and opaque. Oh, I love them. Love them. Also, Madam Glam do a VIP membership. If you want more information on the VIP membership, again, check out my description box. Click my Madam Glam website link and you'll get all the information that you need on that. I think that is everything. I always feel like I'm missing something. But I don't know. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these to try. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.